Live reporting from Charleston Nerve Club, it is I, Greg, 100Gs again. This is the long-awaited full review of the Sweetheart Blizzard Pyro. Feast your eyes. It is quite an explicit blaster, I must add. It has so many features. I'm just going to go ahead and list them on the screen here in a little bit. But basically, your battery is housed back here. Now from Black Raisins, you'll get it with this adapter along with the battery. That is a good size, as you can see. Black Raisins branding on there. And they give you a little adapter so that it fits the XT30, because this is actually XT60. So boom boom. This is all, I think it's called SLS nylon. I mean, this is really solid stuff. Like, I can't even call it like plastic. It's like plastic and cement put together. This right here, this is a sensitivity switch. Now when I first got mine, my blaster was running away from me and I thought, oh man, I got a brick. So I went into the Discord, which is only for owners. Their Discord channel for the certain blasters, you have to like show your receipt of buying one, and then they'll let you in. And they told me all I had to do was move this forward a little bit. So it was back here somewhere, as you can see. Let me see if I can get it to focus. As you can see, the little indentions there. But I moved it forward a little bit and it was right as rain. Now next, we got the LCD screen. So you got the screen on this side that shows you the function, how many shots you took, and I think this is a battery meter. Then on the other side, this is your selector switch where you go from safe, semi, and then to auto. Okay, and this right here, this is the system on how it fires. It uses this Delrin ball that goes in here somewhere, I'm not actually sure, and it rolls back and forth on that line, and that's how you get the fire rate. It's super smooth and snappy. I have to say it's probably it is the best AEG that I have, and I'm an owner of the Chronograph 76, the LN01, and the inverted scales. I think they're the same thing, but I have two of them. So, and we're not even going to talk about the BK1 because that was basura trash. Now back to the other side, it has different fire modes. So right now it's in the off position. If you click the trigger twice, then you get a double shot when you pull on semi. Click again, you get 3-round bursts. Click again, you get this D, which is called as they call this double shot, but it's kind of like a binary trigger. So like the difference between the 2-round burst and this is that it shoots one shot with the trigger pull, and then when you release the trigger, it shoots another shot. So it's like bop, 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 bop. Whereas the 2-round burst is kind of like one trigger pull and it goes pop, pop. So the D, the double shot, I'm gonna call it the binary trigger mode, it's super cool. I ain't gonna lie, it's just fun. So I don't know if how practical that is in real game scenarios, but it's fun. It's fun, man. All right, so now let's go ahead and get some chronograph readings, because I know that's what everybody wants. Okay, furthermore, real quick, they included a unicorn magazine. The unicorn magazines, and there was another type of magazine that escapes me right now that was good for this blaster as far as with the full auto capabilities, because the cycling rate is really fast. So if you're using worker talons or the the 18s, banana mags, you'll need to get another spring to double spring it for it to keep up. But the unicorn mags are just straight good out of the box. Let's go ahead and get some chronograph numbers real quick. Also, I have the included darts that came with it. I think Black Raisins is making their own darts, a game of soft darts. All I know, it came with 200 of them. I'll check it before I post this video, and I'll put it on the screen somewhere if I'm right or not. Alright, we're here at the chronograph. Let's see how good I can do this, or how well I can do it. 264, 260, 267. So that's an outlier. 531. That's not right. 268. 266. Okay, we're not gonna count that one. Or that one. 263. Can't count that one. 254. And we're gonna call it. So mid 250s to 260s is where we're hitting at. It's a beast. Look at the damage it did to the foam inside of this KWK edge case. A couple of them were stuck in there. Alright, furthermore, it has this barrel shroud on the front. This twists off, and you'll see that it has a scar barrel on it, or a B-car barrel actually. This is the newest one out of Black Raisins, super fire. It also comes with the Tiger barrel, from what I understand. I'll put links to it, to this whole blaster, in the description, and we'll go from there. But yeah, it's your boy 100 G's. I'm just so distracted by the power, I can't even talk. Let's go ahead and end the video with some cardboard box damage, shall we? Alright, I'm gonna do some semi-auto. Y'all already know the power. I'm not that far away, but alright, now I'm gonna try that double shot or binary trigger mode. I'm pulling the trigger, let go of the trigger. Pull the trigger, let go of the trigger. Now, super fast. Bruh, if that's not the craziest thing I've ever done. Dang, that was awesome. Alright, now I'm going to do a little bit of full auto, and that'll be the end. Appreciate y'all watching. It's your boy 100 G's. Charleston Nerf Club out.